Good morning everyone. Today I want to challenge you thinking. I have two identical components shown side by side. One component's cost is rupees 50 and the other component cost is rupees 5000. Both have the same size, both have the same shape, and both have the same color. It looks like a stainless steel. To the naked eye, they looks identical. But I have a question. Can you tell me which one cost 50 and which one cost 5000? Most people cannot, even many engineers cannot do that. But one of these part can be used in the toys and other can be used in the aircraft carrying hundreds of passengers. What's the difference? Others can, the answer is quality. Today I am going to show why the quality is foundation for the industrial stuff. For more than 33 years, I have worked in artificial intelligence, robotics, industrial automation, and many processing industries. During my journey, I discovered something very important. Many people talk about AI, many people talk about the robotics, and many people talk about the automations, but very few people talk about the quality thinking. Without quality thinking, robotic fails and automation fails, and even AI also fails. But industry transformation is also fails. Today we start with a new journey. The journey is called Achieving Artificial Intelligence through Process Innovation. So many people think quality means only inspection. That is a very wrong. Quality is not inspection. Quality is not even testing. Quality is not finding the defect. Quality is preventing the defect. Let me explain. Imagine your students preparing for an examination. One student study every day and another student study only the night before the exam. Both may write the exam, but the preparation, the good prepared people, the students' quality is different, the preparation quality is different. The same applies in the industry also. The quality begins with the production starts. Quality begins with thinking. Quality begins with the planning. And quality begins with the discipline and even with the attitude. Quality is not an event, and quality is a habit. Let's come back to the part, 50 rupees part and a 5000 rupees part. Both looks same, am I correct? Now let us return to our the precision. So the precision starts with the quality. So rupees 50 components may allow larger dimensional variations. Second reason is the material verification. Every batch is tested for the material certificates, material quality, size, and everything. So every batch is certified. So once it is certified, the reason third one comes into picture. When the certification, that is with the traceability. Traceability. Even every component can be traced during the tracking. Who made that, when it was made, which machine it was produced, which material lot, that is a heat number it was produced. Everything is recorded. That is traceability. And then there comes the fourth reason is a reliability. So the component must work correctly for years. The failure is unacceptable in the Air Force, because in the aerospace or in the navigation, Air Force, or in the satellite technology, the failure is unacceptable. So the fifth is a risk involved. So the aircraft components fails means there is a hidden cost. The lives may take into risk. That is why the quality has a value in aerospace and defense or satellite technology. So hidden cost of the poor quality, the most companies not calculating that. So they only calculate the production cost very few calculated the poor quality cost. So let's understand that poor quality creates the rework, some scrap material, and some warranty claims, and the customer complaint and production delay. So because of that damage, then the loss of trust. The most expensive defect is not the defect itself. Actually, the most expensive defect is the lost customer confidence. So that is very important. So a company can recover from the any machine breakdown problem or financial problems, but recovering from the customer trust is much harder. So everyone has to be focused in the quality thinking. So many people believe Industry 7 is about the advanced AI process or something like that. That is only part of that story, but the real fact is Industry 7 requires the human intelligence and process intelligence and artificial intelligence, quality intelligence, and all work together. Actually AI learns from data, but if the process is very poor or the data becomes very poor, so the poor data creates poor decision creates the poor result. So AI cannot fix the broken process, so AI can only improve the good process. That is why the process innovation comes before the AI innovations. So usually the quality comes from the childhood. This is why Soil Light India trains school students and engineering students, industrial professionals and managers, leaders and all. So why? Because the quality thinking must be planted early. Just a tree begins with a seed. Industrial excellence begins with the quality thinking. So when a children learn the discipline, they become responsible students. When a students learn quality thinking, they become innovative engineers. When the engineer learns process innovation, they become the industrial leaders. That is how the nation become competitive. So today I want to remember one lesson. 50 rupees parts and 5,000 rupees parts may look identical, but the quality makes the difference. In the future, the company that survives will not those who have the most machines. They will be those who have the best process. The leaders who succeed will not those with the most resources. They will be those with the best quality mindset people. Today I want to remember one lesson. A 50 rupees parts and a 5,000 rupees may look identical, but quality makes the difference. In the future, the company that survives will not those with the most machines. They will be with the best process. The leaders who succeed will not those with the most resources. They will be those with the best quality mindset people. So, and the students who win the tomorrow will those who learn the thinking that is quality today. So think the quality today. This is the beginning of the Industry 7 journey. In the next episode, I will reveal the secret why people is not inspection and why the companies misunderstand quality completely. Until then, keep learning, keep innovating, keep improving, and remember one thing, the quality is not expensive. Quality is the investment in the future. So quality is path to the success. Thank you.